All right, welcome back. So this is going to be round 3 with the Miata. We're going to do a 7-Eleven shoot with the 1990 Mazda MX5 rotary swap with the 12A rotor. And Fernando wanted to know more specifics about the rotary swap, right? So, let's go ahead and tell me what's going on today.
Well, you know, I've just got through my break-in period. This week, for the very first time, I revved it out to 7,000, and I gotta tell you, the magic is back. This car really comes into its own when you get into those high RPMs, and it's so enthusiastic. It just wants to drive up there. It wants to go and go and go and go and go. It never feels like it's fighting you or you're straining it to do that. And that's what I love about a rotary engine so much, the enthusiasm. It really wants you to just take a handful and play with it. And that's the other thing that's great about these cars is that an average driver can take and enjoy all of the power, all of the cars you have here without feeling like you're in danger of death. I mean, you can use all the car you've got here and have fun. You know, you go out and I'm going to get a 1,000 horsepower car. Yeah, you're going to put yourself through a tree the next day. You know,
well, one way I say you might be able to do the same with the rotary Miata.
Well, it could do. I think this car controlled very well at max power, max speed.
I know. I saw you haul butt the other time. Last time we shot, you just took off like a jackrabbit. I said, okay, I think it's got some pep.
I've unlocked about twice as much power since then.
Okay. So what do you think the horsepower is on this right now?
Right now, I'm thinking 110 to 130.
Okay.
Now,
and how much do you think it weighs now that it has the rotary engine in it?
Let's see. Stock Miata weighs about 2,000 pounds. Probably about 1,800, 1,700.
So,
all the stuff I keep in the
so
car.
you lost a lot of weight by putting the rotary swap in there?
Oh, absolutely.
Okay.
And the rotary is, again, it's so responsive. Now, the 1.6 that came in the Miata is a good motor. No two ways about it.
The badge says here.
Oh yeah, that's
There we go.
edition.
That's what I'm talking about.
That's actually off of a RX-2 or 3 or 4 or 5. Ooh.
All right. Well, let's go ahead and get started. Alex is here with his Mustang as well, and we may do a little shoot with his as well. We're just waiting in line to get the perfect little spot here for the backdrop, and let's cut away to that. All right, here we go. So we're about to do a couple shoots here. I'm just gonna get the right angle of attack, and then we'll see what the results are.
But you're gonna have to back up some.
All right, so I just did some shots,
Well, yeah.
and now Ben has some ideas. All right, Ben, what's the idea? Go ahead.
What? I just want to get a picture with me and my engine.
Okay, let's do that then.
Tony.
Yeah, I put those.
Well, how?
We got a light right here.
Okay.
We got you. All right, here's the next shot we're doing, the next angle. I think this will work. I think we'll like the results of this. And here we go. 3, 2, 1. Okay, so that was it, and we got some great shots. Let me show you what we have. And this is what we have so far. I think I'm happy with the results. And then we'll go from there. So you'll see these results on my Instagram. But I think we're gonna call it quits for now. I'm hungry. But other than that, Ben, thank you for participating in today's shoot.
I'm always happy to be the center of attention.
Right? Okay, but beautiful car.
Thank you.
And we'll see what happens. Like and subscribe.